Do you want less stress and better grades? Watch this. I'm Josh, a marketing and entrepreneurship student at Drexel University, and welcome to my 5-video series giving you 5 tips across different subjects to help you crush your freshman year. These are the things I wish I knew when I was starting out, so grab a pen, grab some paper, take some notes, and let's dive in. Today's class is going to cover academic tips. Tip number 1 is to read your syllabus carefully. Now, a lot of people skim over the syllabus, throw it in the trash can, and move on. But there's honestly a lot of key things in that syllabus that can set you up for success throughout the semester or the quarter, right? There's sometimes midterm and final exam dates, when that quiz might be, the textbook that you may or may not need to read through, the professor's contact info in their office hours. My best advice, read through the entire thing. Some professors even have like bonus points listed in the syllabus, so you definitely want to catch those ones. Save it to your computer and always come back to it. Tip number 2 is to go to class and be present. I can't recommend this enough. If you're going to skip all of your classes, to me, it just doesn't make sense why you would pay for college in the first place, right? Like, did you know that when you're not going to a class, you're paying for that class still, regardless? I mean, I would encourage you, if you really don't believe me, do the math for how much your school costs and how much each lecture is. You'd be quite surprised, right? So go to class, take notes. You're there to learn anyways, right? That's the whole goal. That's the point. Engage with that professor, which we're probably going to talk about in a bit, and honestly, make the most of that lecture. Tip number 3 is to email professors after the first class and introduce yourself. You have to remember that college professors are quite busy and have a lot of students, sometimes 5 to 500. So it kind of helps you stand out when you send them a message about you loved the first class, you're looking forward to learning this, maybe what your major is and what your aspirations are for your career. Not enough can be said about how important and helpful college professors can be and impactful in your journey. They can be a mentor, they can help you understand the subject better, and they can also refer you for jobs, co-ops, and internships. You never know what doors can open. Be nice to that professor, treat them with respect, and send them an email after the first class. Tip number 4 is to set up your GPA for success now. Like now. Not next month, not next year, not your third year before you graduate. Now's the easiest time. You're not in that many clubs, right? The classes are probably the easiest. Sometimes you're taking Math 101. So get that 4.0 now, and then that way when you're busy, you're about to graduate, you're looking for a job or for where you're gonna live, you can worry about that stuff and not the GPA and graduating. Take care of the GPA now. You'll thank me later. Tip number 5 is to keep a calendar. Yes, you'd be surprised how many college students do not have a calendar or any system to track any events or dates. Like, it's not right. All you need, go to Google Calendar, set up an account, right? Put in your meetings, your clubs, your classes, and live by that calendar. Put in your commitments, your work, your job, whatever it is, live by that calendar. And also check your email. I had a few college friends this summer that just did not check their email for some reason, and they missed out on opportunities. Like, that's your school literally giving you paid sometimes or just general work experience that you can put on your resume. So check your email, do both of them, and subscribe. I'm here for office hours if you need, and watch this video next.